Hello mga tiyanak, mga anak ni Tia Ring, and let me share with you my top 7 Japanese ESL companies for beginners as in yung walang experience and would like to try ESL teaching. So let's start with Rare Job. So this is my first ever company. I don't even have an ESL experience. Hindi din ako education graduate, but I started with Rare Job. So thank you Rare Job for opening the doors for me. And my second company is Ingo. I'm still an active tutor here sa Ingo and sa Rare Job din. So I like Ingo as well kasi super simple yung platform nila. And again, pwede ang no experience. So here's what you will do. So madali lang ang application process as in video test, tapos language test, and you need to have an ID na para proof na 18 years old kayo. And the third one is BizMates. Eto, mas malaki yung rate kaya lang, kailangan mong mag-office wear, kailangan mong mag-suit or collared shirt during classes. And if undergraduate, pwede rin, pero kailangan may 3 years of work experience sa business field or, at, hindi ako sure, basta may experience kayo. Pwede din siya up to, pwede din mag-apply yung mga aunties and lolas and titos and titas nyo kasi nag-accept sila even you're 75 years old already. And the next one is Weblio. Again, pwede at least 18. So kahit senior graduate ka, pwede, or undergrad, or fresh grads na wala namang, if gustong may extra income, so wala silang required hours, I think. So, at least plain white background. Mostly sa mga companies na to, most of them, they don't require elaborate background. Plain background lang. And you can teach 24/7. Hindi ibig sabihin na 24/7 ka magtuturo. It means na any time of the day, pwede kang mag-open ng slot. Ganun. Next is Native Camp. So, I haven't tried this one yet. Natapos na ako sa technical check, pero hindi ako nag-proceed sa company na ito. Pero maraming nagsasabi na marami din daw students and you can even accept calls na uh, sudden booking, something ganun. No minimum hours required. And so perfect to sa mga may full-time job na tapos gusto pa rin ng side hustle or extra income. Weekends or gabi or anytime na may vacant ka. Next is itong Sunkey. Pwede din siya sa at least 18 years old. Pero itong Sunkey, kailangan mong may direct LAN connection. Yung may, anong tawag doon? LAN connection. Tapos Skype ID, I think MS Teams na ngayon. So try nyo lang din. Tapos ito, glats.ph naman. So, full-time office space, wag yan. Dito kayo sa work from home dyan. So, kailangan nyo mag-open ng Wise account kasi doon nila i-transfer ang sweldo. Madali lang mag-open ng Wise account. Para lang siyang PayPal. At dahil natapos mo tong video na to, you are now officially a tiyanak. Inaanak ni Tia Ring. So, please subscribe to my channel sa TikTok, sa YouTube, and sa Facebook, Instagram din. This is Tia Ring, your work from home auntie. Follow for more. Bye!